ako po dun sa may labas po ng sliding door.
Okay. Sa'yo ba yan? Is that yours?
Baka may pera dito.
Oo, yung mag-ipon ka gamit yan. Okay. Okay, anak, tingin ka nga kay Teacher Pam. Look at
Mami,
Teacher Pam.
ito, Mami.
Oh, look at
Ha?
screen.
Pag na-touch siya, may pera
Yes.
na.
Look at your screen. Can I ask you, what letter is this?
Oh.
Oh, what is the sound of O?
Oh.
Ayun. Oh, very good. How about the second one? What
Okay.
letter is it? Letter K. What is the sound of letter K? Oh, diba? Galing mo. How about the third one? What letter is this?
L.
That's L. Do you know the sound of letter L?
Yeah.
Yeah, what is it?
Huh?
L.
Sabi,
Yes, that's correct.
ano
You
ba?
already say it.
Saan ba?
Tapusin mo na yun.
Oh, what is the sound of letter L?
La.
L. Okay. Very good.
Galing! Ah, pero,
How about the fourth one? This letter, what letter is this? Ano?
Why?
Y. And what is the sound of letter Y?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yup, yup, yup. Kita mo, ang galing-galing mo pala. Okay, and what letter is the last one? Anong letter yun?
S.
S. What is the sound of letter S? Oh, diba? Very good.
very good. Ah, pero kay Mami, perfect!
Very good. Very good, Seth. Ako may
Yes,
start
I'm
talaga.
very
Tapusin mo na ba yan? Tapusin mo na
Very
to.
good. Oh, sorry.